Hi my loves, I'm Frida and I'm back again with another video. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi, I'm Frida and I talk about all things skincare, all things lifestyle, products reviews and so much more. If you're my OG, my real MVP, my subscriber, you know how we do it on here. I love you so much. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for always promoting my videos, liking, commenting, sharing, turning on your post notification buttons. Those things mean a lot to me, and you know I bring you tea. So today let us just jump into this amazing topic because I can't wait to say it. Okay, it's a very nice topic and I know that it will benefit a lot of people because regardless of your skin type or your complexion or whatever it is, we have faced it one way or the other, and yeah, I'm here with a solution, guys. So I'll be talking about how to get rid of dark spots and hyperpigmentation fast. Yes, so get your pen, your paper, and jot down because it's going to be amazing. So the first thing I'll start talking about is, before we talk about dark spots, we have to identify what causes it, right? Most times it's probably acne, it's pimples, it's sun exposure, and it can be hormonal too. Yes, not everybody with dark spots or maybe let's say melasma, aka sunburn, is using a harsh product. Not everybody with sunburn is using a harsh product. Sometimes it can be hormonal, especially women that have gotten pregnant or women that are currently pregnant or women that just gave birth. There's something called pregnancy melasma. There's something called postpartum melasma. Generally, the human body does a lot, and we as women, we have a whole lot of hormones. Do you understand? And these hormones can act in different ways and can affect our body positively or negatively, to say. So yeah, the causes of dark spots could be acne, pimples, sun exposure, or hormones. Okay, now that we've established the facts, we now have to move to the ingredients that you should look out for in products so that you can help to tackle your dark spots fast. And then I'll let you know how to use this ingredient so that you don't get an adverse reaction. The first ingredient of my list is vitamin C. Yes, vitamin C is very good when it comes to skin brightening and clearing of dark spots, all of that. But if you have acne prone skin, skip vitamin C. But if you have a normal skin or dry skin, you can use vitamin C. Acne prone skin, skip vitamin C because certain times there's a lot of back and forth with vitamin C, but vitamin C can actually trigger your acne. It can probably make it worse, so you don't take that chance. Just skip it because there are a whole lot of other ingredients to use. Yes, the next on my list is niacinamide, because niacinamide helps with hydration and boosting of your skin's well-being. Generally, it helps your skin to keep on rejuvenating and turning over with time. Okay, so niacinamide helps a lot with hyperpigmentation, believe it or not. I know that you're looking for sharp, but niacinamide takes its time and it does it right. Okay, the next on my list is azelaic acid. We cannot talk about dark spots and not mention azelaic acid, because azelaic acid will also help your acne, the acne that is causing those dark spots. Azelaic acid will help it and it will now correct the dark spots that has come out due to those what's the name, due to the pimples and acne. Okay, azelaic acid is very nice. Tranexamic acid, it's also an amazing product, ingredients that people don't talk about a lot. Tranexamic acid is very nice for hyperpigmentation. It helps to tackle dark spots and hyperpigmentation like crazy, but a lot of people don't know that. Now I'm bringing it to you. Another one that I'm sure you don't know, or you're going to be hearing it for the first time. If you've heard it, then that's fine. Is mandelic acid. Mandelic acid is also very nice. So all these ingredients I'm listing, just check out for products that contain them and you can use them Yeah, so the next is glycolic acid. I prefer Jesus, I prefer glycolic acid in a toner. Yes, because it's a bit harsh, it's a bit stripping, so I think it's better in a toner. When you use it, when you patch test and you see how it is, you can decide if you want to be washing it off or leaving it on, but I would always recommend you wash it off. Yeah, it will work for what it works for, even if you wash it off. Yes, so glycolic acid. And then the next on my list, please don't come for me, but it works, it's you that does not know how to use it well, is hydroquinone. You heard me right, hydroquinone works for hyperpigmentation and dark spots. You just need to know how best to use hydroquinone and when to use it and when not to use it. All of that I'll be talking about them. Okay, so I'll generally recommend that any of these ingredients that you get in any products, make sure that you use them at night. Night should be when you focus on your treatment, especially dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Whatever will treat your dark spots or hyperpigmentation will brighten your skin, whether you like it or not. They are brightening agents, they contain brightening actives in them. Okay, so it should be done at night. Why? To avoid sun exposure, because when you use it during the day, I don't care even if you rub 1 liter of sunscreen, it's on your face and the sun is going to definitely get in contact with it, and it might start to have an adverse reaction on your skin, so it will begin to work in a bad way instead of a good way. So anything correction, dark spots correction, hyperpigmentation should be done at night. Okay, yes, and then focus on starting small. Focus on starting small and patch tests. Start small, patch test, and take breaks. Like hydroquinone should be used maybe 3 times a week or twice a week, and don't use it more than 6 weeks at a stretch. So that's 1 month, 2 weeks. So you use it twice a week in 1 month, 2 weeks, twice a week, twice a week, twice a week, and then you don't use it after 6 weeks. Give yourself like 3 months before you go back to hydroquinone. Yes, that is the best way to use hydroquinone, so that your skin does not suffer at the end. It is very stripping. Yes, it will damage your skin barrier with constant use, and then it might look nice at first, but when it does what it wants to do, it will now overdo and mess up your skin. So that's why it's good to use it wisely. I always tell you about wise whitening, wise brightening. You already know, I used to talk about it. Don't use whitening product at a stretch. Give yourself breaks. Same with hydroquinone, give yourself breaks. Even all these other additives, please don't use them every night. I'm begging you, don't use glycolic acid every night, don't use mandelic acid every night, don't use tranexamic acid every night, don't use azelaic acid every night. Niacinamide can be used morning and night, vitamin C can be used morning and night, depending on the scenario and your skin type. But you see all these other strong ingredients, please don't use them every night. Maybe 3 times a week, 4 times a week at most, twice a week, perfect. Okay, so yeah, that's how you use them. What else? Just patch test, please. Maybe start test it at the back of your ear or your wrist. If it's for your body, maybe your wrist, just a place that if it gives you any issue, it can be easily corrected or it won't be so noticeable. So don't jump because I say go and use tranexamic acid. Now you wake up and go and bite everything tranexamic. Please, I'm not with you. Patch test, and if possible, use it on the spots. If your spots are not so much, your dark spots are not so much on your face or your body, learn to use it on the spots rather than using it everywhere, because using it everywhere will change the tone of even the place that is not affected and the place that is affected. So some places might end up, you might end up having uneven skin tone. So if you can pinpoint your spots, that is perfect. Just use on the spot treatment. If it's hydroquinone, you take some bit of your hydroquinone. If it's a serum or a cream, you apply it just on the spots. Mandelic acid, azelaic acid, same thing, just on the spot treatment if you can. Okay, so that's it for hyperpigmentation and dark spots. I've given you the ingredients. So when next you go to the market, you want to treat dark spots, don't just say, oh, I want a cream that will clear my dark spots. Look for certain ingredients, because they always contain, one way or the other, they always contain these ingredients. Look for these ingredients because they will actually help to clear your dark spots, brighten your skin, and help you solve your hyperpigmentation issues. Another pro tip that I will be leaving you with is take your sunscreen seriously, because even if you solve the problem of dark spots and hyperpigmentation, they can come back. Even if it's pimple spots, constant exposure to the sun can make your pimple spots darker, not just your sunburn, not just causing sunburn or anything. Fine, you don't have sunburn on your face or melasma on your face, but you have pimple spots, and constant exposure to the sun can make your pimple spots darker because the sun ray. I'll go into everything about sunscreen and why it's necessary, but first of all, get a very good sunscreen. Make sure that you reapply your sunscreen after every 2 hours or 3 hours, because sunscreen wears off after 3 hours. So don't just wake up, you wake up by 5, apply your sunscreen and expect sunscreen to be on your face till 8 p.m. No, sis. By 5 you apply, 7 you apply, 9 you apply. Yes, so always just have a handy sunscreen, wipes, maybe wipe your face, clean it, and then reapply however you want to do it. Or you just get a sun stick. Sun sticks are a bit more durable than applying cream everywhere. So thank you if you've gotten to this part of this video. I love you so much. Thank you for supporting me. Don't forget to comment, like, share, turn on your post notification button, tell your friends to tell their friends that I posted a video. And I love you so much. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.